What time when them get ripe? There's this one right here, these two right here.
Yes,
that turned for me. So I'm gonna take them and eat breakfast. See Jamaica? This is my grandmother's church, right? How old are you?
Up in my 70s.
70s?
Yeah, man.
What do you like about this place, Manchester?
I love it the best because me born a cricket.
Mm-hmm.
And me travel all over the place and boy, everywhere me go. Nothing wrong with the place, it's with the people.
These are the best smell. This is to die for.
Yes.
This here smell here, sir.
Yes.
Are the best smell of the world.
Yes.
Where do I get the tangerine tree them for plant?
Well,
I buy them at the
you can get them at the
place, right?
yes. Like Mandeville, all quality trees you want, you can get a Mandeville, Christiana. They have them selling.
Tangerine was one of my favorite.
Mm-hmm. And you know, if you should ask somebody, they can get the sucker for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the sucker they all about around.
After from for them tree.
Yes, from for them tree.
And just plant it.
And just plant it.
You can even graft that too.
Yes, you can graft. You can graft.
So more of a plant a whole lot of trees, man.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
Them not have nowhere no land selling around here.
Well, you know, people are land selling, but have to know them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Have to know them.
A lot of my friends want to buy land in the mountains.
I like Mida, them you can ask them. Philip wife.
Who's that?
Mida.
Who's Mida?
Philip, you know Philip?
No.
Philip used to buy yam down right before the meet house there.
Yeah.
You know, see the house where shoe black round. It's beside the old meat now.
Yeah. That.
Philip yard, but in there, you know.
Okay.
You see one white front truck park.
Yes.
Yeah.
Philip's gone.
My nephew, DNA.
Mm-hmm.
DNA that.
No, man, my friend them want to leave the States and start farming.
Yes.
And export.
You can get better place than here, so man. You can drive going, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. And the man mountain and the master, and it's dry time, it looks pleasant, but it's rain time. No problem.
Slippery.
Yeah, man, I'm fine. You can get better place than here. You can do any plant, any other thing, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It's a pure stone, you know.
Yeah.
Like, we grow a tree also, you know.
Yeah.
But like, you want to plant anything to eat also. Beside it. Stone it.
But well, we know say Carlo cabbage can grow.
Yeah, man.
We know say potato and yam can grow, banana,
Yeah, man. I think here are them.
cane. But we are talking about strictly yam, you know?
Yes.
Yam country. Beautiful.
Yes, man.
More if we plow up 5 acres of yam and ship him out, you know?
If you don't mean, you see back that side there?
Yeah.
Red moat. Like Wilpy. You
Yeah.
see that mountain there?
Yeah.
There's a level down in between the two mountains there.
Yeah.
Let's Maria God.
Oh, they must have see the plane. They see the plane and they say, what? Oh.
Dougie and Batman's Barrow's son. Yo! I'm set up my satellite, man.
Them say I fly plane. Them say,
I'm set up my satellite, man. You have to be careful of me, you know. Yeah.
them say I send up it. Them never know say you're high tech.
Yeah.
I hide from them long time.
So me I tell you, see back that out that side, you know.
Yeah.
You can get your tractor and plow up your land, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you get land on those places you work.
Mm-hmm.
You can use tractor.
Yeah.
You don't need happy, you know, can drive go in your farm.
Mm-hmm.
You can park a roadside and turn up and look on your farm.
Yes.
You're happy in no bush.
Mm-hmm.
You know? Because most of the people them up on this side, out that side, them work, you know, because the land is level and, you know, fertile.
Okay. It's a beautiful place, man.
Yes, man. All of the land is Sanders land, you know, where you look on.
Sanders?
Yes.
Who that?
Tony.
Tony Sanders?
Yes,
still
and
living?
Light, yeah, man, and Light Sanders. George Sanders. George live under the gully under here, so.
Yeah?
But he's sickly.
Okay.
You know, a son named Brian, we are police, we live out a big house out there.
Mm-hmm.
You see where the two road turn we go around the supermarket
Yeah.
before we right out in high level there, so.
Who have the most land here?
Sanders them, sir.
Sanders.
Sanders and Bennett.
And Bennett, us.
Yes, man. Enough land no have here, man. All a backwood. Over there, so.
Yeah. Masberry's family.
Yes. Masberry used to walk over there, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
And him still own it? The family?
I'll pack to plant in Bungo, but
Pops no plant no more?
and change up this spot.
Oh, Masberry's. Bennett.
Come
No,
here.
Masberry's
Come
house
here.
that?
No, yeah, where you was living first.
Yeah.
It's that piece of ground, you know.
Yeah.
A Bennett land, you know.
This ground here, sir?
Yes.
Who a plant on it?
Shitty.
Who are shitty?
You don't know Auntie Floret's son?
Oh,
Well, live beside Roger.
the one with the donkey.
Yes.
Oh,
That farm, that piece of farm up in Shitty.
okay.
Was Auntie, over there, so Auntie Sina, them brother as well, them used to work.
Yeah, so in my Bennett.
Yes, no, in my Thompson. But his mother Bennett.
Mother Bennett. So right, all of the look on the house. You see the house up on the top?
That a buck up, George Wilson.
Uh-huh.
You have to go buck up now and turn up and have a road drive. You go right.
Them one land too.
And see what next road go back Brandon Hill.
Yeah.
The two road branch off.
Uh-huh.
One go up on this side of hill and one go up on the next side of hill.
Okay. All right. So you say
All over there, so now a fertile land, you know.
over here, sir?
Yes, man. I'm going to say, you know, the road not nice to go there, but you can walk around.
So now a shit, who control it?
A shitty control, you know.
The whole over there, sir?
Not the whole of it, because they sell some of it,
Okay.
but as well sell some of it. But the land gone way back over, you know.
Way back.
Yes.
So a man just can't come in the land and farm. A problem.
Yeah, you know, no problem. As long as you cooperate with the family there.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you understand?
Wow. So now that building right here, that used to be
It was a kitchen they was making for the church.
for the church.
But
But back further, show me where mama land there.
you know, me no know the line, but me know they're behind the kitchen.
Behind the kitchen.
Go right behind the kitchen.
Okay.
Put on one shoulder.
Mm-hmm. And they come home for check out the thing.
You can go beside the church side and the room.
Yeah. Beautiful, man. This is my home. This right here is my home of a build a legacy, you know. Jamaica, see it there? I'm gonna try expand the Yam estate. Yam is like gold right now, very expensive. Baba say you can rent a piece of land, 5 acres. Under 5,000 you can clean it up. Plant X amount of yam acres. Get yourself a van. You see when you're done, drop that at the wharf, man. Money can't done. Now this is real money. And when them educated us, them never tell us the formula. We left here thinking, yeah man, better life in America. See the money there? We left the money. We left the money right here, so. My father, for parents and families, pottingers. The pottinger used to come with a big truck and take the yam from the Bennett, all the way from St. Anne's. So they used to take the yam from my grandmother. You see? So now that we're growing older and we've seen the estates and how estates are built, how empires are built, and this is ours, you know, we have to now start focus and deal with it on a financial level, because we grow as man now. We have to start set up infrastructure. I'll give thanks to my grandmother, 14 kids. So this is Randy Pottinger for SaveJamaica.com. Whew, this is it. When you're in the States, you rent out a piece of land, you pay someone to farm on it, then you reap the benefit. You don't have to farm on it. Then you buy a van, then you get older. The guy, what's his name down there, Rooster, he's the one that raised the pig. Then he's raising pig. Everybody's doing something. But the peace and tranquility here is infinite. This is what you call Mount Zion.
Yeah, man.
So you live on top of, you're the gatekeeper.
Yes, man. You're the doorkeeper.
You protect it. We're so happy to be here. You know, I dream about this place all the time.
Yeah, man.
You know, cause when we look like us, so we used to come and.
Yes, man.
When you're younger, you know, and this thing teach you.
Yes, man.
No book can't teach you what this a teach you, you know.
No.
It's the God there. You can't compare. When you look at the magnificent, how much life there, so.
Yes, man.
Billions and zillions of life.
People make money and people, you're right, people not left you go nowhere, you know, but you have to use up your head. You see, when you get money,
Yeah.
and you are investing,
Yeah.
you can make money, but you have to be wise. Because you see all the yam, if you had a side to plant the yam, at 170 for yam now, I go near 200,000 for 100 for yam, you know. Yam.
Because of the drought earlier in the year, plus the demand all over the world.
Yeah. You see, and things are go up. Things are
Last year,
up.
what was the price?
It was, no, it go and come in us. Sometimes like December going down now to February, the price come back down.
Yeah.
Come back down to all 6,000, 5,000, 7,000.
Yeah?
Yeah. But
right now.
When you reach up now from June, July, going up,
Yeah.
the price go right up. It's 170, you know.
High.
Yeah,
One of the
high.
highest it ever been.
Yes, highest.
So that's why I say.
Maybe 4 parents never see them a price in a yam. We never see those price in a yam.
I forgot plant some yam, man.
Yeah, man, but you know, plant a year so where you have so much problem. You plant in a year where you can get all the stick to buy easy.
To buy?
Yes. If man just cut, you chop past with the yam stick, you know, this can drop here your gate.
Them deliver yam stick now?
Yeah, you buy, you have to buy it from them. Them cut you and carry out, can sell.
Okay.
Yeah, man. You're not happy to about you go cut yam stick. You want a 1,000 yam stick, chuck this, come in with the control down at your gate. Then you pay a man now to drum it, you know. You get a good man who can run your farm.
Yeah.
You have money, man.
I'm paying.
Yeah, you have money, man. It's all peas, corn, and those things, the beer upon them side, I know.
Peas and corn?
Peas and corn, man.
And the corn 100% organic, no
Yes,
pesticide?
Yes, man. That's all you do by fertilizer. Because through the things them plant with fertilizer, you have to keep on Use fertilizer.
Deal with them.
Deal with them.
Are you a dog?
Yeah, and a rice stand, you know. But I hope I ain't go and come here. Yeah, mange, man.
Him sick?
I'm sick, man. That man won't look at that dog, man. Go ahead, Fanny.
Yes, see them under the God power. Look what beautiful, man.
She placed a heavy tree, you know, behind the mountain, the high mountain there.
Heavy tree. So which part of the place name?
See Devon there. So we pull them there.
Devon.
I burn.
So we're Christianity.
Christian at the back that side. You can't see Christian there behind that mountain.
Behind that mountain.
See then, you know, see where the school is. Come here, sir. See the round head pole there, see there.
I to look on Cuba. At the highest place there.
Yeah, see round head thing there.
Yeah.
That's what this last spy in Jamaica. Spy anyway when you did it. So a soldier live up there, you know.
US soldiers.
Jamaica and US soldier.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, motor helicopter go land up there.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. You have a base up there, you know, where the plane can land from.
Yeah.
Helicopter.
A helicopter.
Yeah, man. This come down.
Alright, them use for look on Cuba.
Yes, man.
One of the highest places in Jamaica.
Yes, man.
St. Elizabeth or Manchester?
Manchester.
Yeah.
One next one up there, the place up there where they mark to one build one or something there too. Up on the mountain there. They have a plan for up there too. Up where we were spying already. We used to be house in there.
Yeah. Boy, man.
You know, them they spotted to that the region, the high mountain there over Senti there. They set up them thing that they then get the height to that mountain over there.
Yeah. St. Elizabeth that way.
St. Elizabeth. No, Kaiser, them place there. Black River, all them go back so. Always see them fog there, Senti, you know.
St. Elizabeth, fog.
It's the mountain we come down there, that tall mountain over there, so. Over where the fog there.
Yeah.
That's Poultry Hill, you know, carry you right down to St. Elizabeth.
Yes, yes.
You see, a Poultry Hill, that the mountain there. A whole heap of motor crash up on that the hill, the man, to it's steep, you know.
Okay.
And kill people. So until you come out for that, the hill, they are purely blue there in a St. Elizabeth.
Okay, okay.
Always you see them fog there, a St. You know.
Yeah, yeah.
See all them house where you look one day, a St. Go back so.
All the way go back so. Nice.
You have now that where them pole, you know, carry back now to Christiana, shortly. On the gas station. Every time gas station, if you want to go Kingston or you want to go back Christiana or Spal, and you turn on this hand, left.
So where's your family now? Them local?
Craig.
Craig?
My mother and father originate from Craig, but most of these people in here are my family.
Yeah.
Like how me I tell you, so me and you are family. My mother come from Harrowatch, you know.
Yeah.
My mother born and grew up Harrowatch. My mother a wolf.
Wolf?
Yes. You don't know if you know one man the name Bazi Wolf, who control one church up at Ginger Pieces. So.
No, no.
He live right in the crossroad, right beside one business shop where you turn right yourself and go. You see school gate? One shop there right at school gate, you turn right, they go up on my grandfather's yard.
Nice. This is beautiful, man.
Yeah.
And you never lived nowhere else but here?
Yeah,
in
man,
Jamaica?
me live all out that side already, man.
Yeah.
Cause I radio work me do, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, TV and radio and anything they me fix.
So you fix that for people around here?
Yeah, man. Everybody around here, me work for them.
Electronics?
Yeah, man.
So anything?
I me fix sewing machine and anything there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh. So anybody have them things?
Yes, man. They
Yeah,
just
you.
check me. They just check me. All the same guy where I call to me, they have me fix them thing.
Yeah. Same thing, say you have something new.
Yes, yes.
Yes, man. It's so beautiful. So Maya built a big house.
Yes, man. Jonathan.
Jonathan.
Mm-hmm.
Maya's son.
Mm-hmm. They was here another year. I'm gone up back.
Mm-hmm. Jamaica. Anything is possible.
Yes, man. Yes, you can make you can satisfy yourself, just like how you go foreign and live there for years.
Yeah.
And you're comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
And when you come here, you can't live serious, but you have to set the stage.
Mm-hmm.
Because money is a thing we slippery fast,
Mm-hmm.
And if you are spending and you not spending wise, it's gone.
Yeah, yeah.
So you have to spend it that you have a investment.
Yeah.
An income where you can make something happen.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you plant up some yam now, get good land.
Yeah.
And plant up vegetable. Because those land, man, sweet potato sell how much? You plant sweet potato. You plant cocoa.
Mm-hmm.
That sell how much? 100. Alright, that's how people make them build their living, man.
Mm-hmm.
Well, the young people, them can't no love the farming.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why you see,
Them gone.
gone. Because it's not easy so, man. When you fi travel na the mountain, it's not easy. Because you fi make it, you're dead.
You see people foot broke and sprain and...
All quality things, man. You understand? So people know I run from those hard life. Them go now and then get the backside land, them for rent. I like Calvin down there.
Mm-hmm.
Backside land they rent, man, from Ballinor up. Label land them.
Can't deal with
Then
the...
just drive, go to them farm, go work and come back.
Mm-hmm.
Come and go work and come in back. Yeah, man. All first time Calvin, them have to go all a backwood over phone place there.
Mm-hmm.
Go work. For mine all them kids when had it. Now we don't have to do it again. Left them the land there. And go rent level land. Just drive go park and farm.
Yeah.
And raise cow. You see all cow?
Mm-hmm.
The cow come here and you buy cow, you raise cow here, man, you make money, man.
Much for one cow?
Left to the size. Left to one little pig right here now, $6,000 for him, more so,
A little pig?
$6,000.
Yeah.
So if you make a farm, see a rooster, them, a hog, them raise and cow.
The White House, the Rooster House. The one down there, sir.
Yeah, the one right down behind the tree, them there.
Yeah.
Rooster house.
And we're raise hog.
And cow. They make something like you go, man. When you sell one cow, you have over 100,000.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Cow and pig are the thing.
Cow and pig, man. Jonathan and fowl.
Fowl, cow and pig.
Pig.
So you need water for them and feeding.
Yes.
You have to tie them.
You
But
have to-
goat good too.
Goat good too, but the goat more, because through them dangerous. Anything them eat him more, kill it.
Do we kill the goat them?
No, he will kill the plants. If
Okay.
you don't have a real place to tie them.
Oh,
You
them will
cannot-
eat up your whole field.
Yes, eat up
And man, we kill your
A
goat.
man will kill your goat. Just like your hog or your cow too, if you let it go in a man place, they will kill it.
Mm-hmm.
But if you come here, you make your own farm.
Mm-hmm.
You build your own farm.
Mm-hmm.
Your own place to keep your hog.
Mm-hmm.
All you do, you just, when you have water now, morning time you just get up and you have water, you put on your hose, wash out your pen and feed your hog. You know, no trouble.
Yeah. The hog need feeding.
Yes.
A breadfruit and yam can make him fat and nice.
Everything, all the grass they eat, certain grass they eat.
Trumpet leaf too.
But it not hurtful.
No, for the goat. The goat eat the trumpet leaf.
Yeah.
Not the hog. But the hog eat the pear too.
Everything.
Everything him touch.
Chain you can chop up it, throw it down, give them the yam skin, you don't have
Cook
to boil
breadfruit.
it.
Cook
You don't have to cook it, just throw it down then eat it.
Right breadfruit them love.
Yeah, everything, man. The only thing you know, the hog is the, like our water time now. And the pear drop off a tree, and the other tree, if you have 3 days, will soft. If you give the hog, you will sick in the hog.
Oh.
Give them fever, you know.
Okay.
But as the pear turn, you can't throw it, give them.
Mm-hmm.
They eat it. Better for them.
Okay.
But
Not
like
too soft.
The pear drop on the earth, you know, and the water soak it.
Mm-hmm.
You take it, give them fever. Can kill them too.
Mm-hmm. So now, what you eat and drink for keep healthy? Cause you don't have no sickness.
No, I'm not really trouble with no definite sickness. Definite.
Well, you're up on the most peaceful mountain. Are you? I mean, you bring out your chair.
Yeah, man.
You have a chair?
Like what kind of chair?
Just a chair for sit down.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Bring a chair for me.
No, you know, the chair them occupy something on them.
Okay. So you sit down out there, so?
Me know there daytime, you know.
Where you there?
Me there up, me work up, so you know, me have a shop where me work up there.
With the TV and the thing them?
Me have a brethren, me and work together.
Okay. But you have the most amazing view in Jamaica, you know? You?
Yeah, man.
So you don't have no sick, no high blood pressure, no?
Me have complaint, but no complaint with trouble me from work or walk or whatever. I have to give thanks, you know.
Yeah, man. So no rain and go fall today?
Well, you can't get the car at the month for you know, you know.
It look like it have the cloud might change later.
You see in the morning part we get the sunshine, but when it cut all 12, 1 o'clock upward. A good time we are seeing how to where we pass when we are youth.
Yeah.
First time, them a time you have rain a fall from morning till night.
No bush, no farming can go on.
You just can barely go look like a sit feet and come in back. But them a time now, you can't go a bush, go walk half day and come out back before rain. And look your food and whatever you want. But me advise you, if you want to come here and do invest, don't take these hilly places here. You know, you're not going to progress off of it. You know, unless like an animal you are going to like goat or so, where you can't let them go in a bush. But man, we still thief them. So you're in all danger.
For goat?
Yes.
But pig different?
Then we thief a pig, but the harder for pig because when you hold
pig
a
a squeal.
and make whole heap of noise. If you have a say even 2 or 3 pen a pig, you buy the sow.
Yeah.
The mother sow and a boar we can breed the hog. One pig you sell at 6,000, 7,000 left to his size. One little pig, you just buy bag feed and feed them.
So at any stage you can sell them?
Sell them after them born and reach up to them size,
Yeah.
where they can tie,
Yeah.
you start sell them. As long as they can tie, you start sell them. Right now, since we got to myself, you one lady around the road there. $12,000. See them here?
Nice.
But then you feeding, you know. You have all your farm here, the man will drive him or ride him bike with him, like Maya sell feeding, you know. Up a creek there.
Yes, so them deliver feed right to your door
Yeah,
now.
man, right at your door. Gas, if you want gas, then come right at your door with the gas.
Yeah.
So in your run, so we know that hard is like first time. But you have to live for a Christian or mile gully go buy anything. Come right at your door and you just order it. And when they come with you, you pay. Nobody about here not gonna go buy no gas now, feed nor anything there. Unless you have occasion and man they will know, then you will just buy it and come with it. But if you die, you just die, then come right at your gate with it.
The place change.
Yeah, man.
It's nice.
And man, them will travel foreign and come back or invest here, you know. And them are run things.
Yeah.
A little more when you come here, so now Jonathan, everything they so I sell.
Me here same. Man, them all have big sale and people block up the road.
When you look down, you see like how you do this now.
Yeah.
When you come up there, so everything will go there. And put them out there now and you go pick where you want.
Clothes.
Yes. Radio, everything where you want. If you can load one container from over there.
From foreign.
From foreign and
come drop yourself. Done.
Money.
Old lawnmower,
Yes,
weed whacker, generator,
everything. Saw, everything, bike,
whole
come here,
everything.
I saw my of them living on man, them is in there.
The king, them are the king on our way.
Yes.
Good for them, man. I like how them move. This is how Jamaicans need to do.
Yes.
Business.
Them are them, man, them are good soul, man.
Yes.
Them buy bike, van, car, truck, and give man for drive it, go deliver them goods. Right now you made there, you see 2 bike pass, a bike then say no go. You want gas, then carry come out your yard, you want feeding, then carry come out your yard. And then come with the receipt, you just give your receipt, you pay your money and then gone.
Them are compete with the Chinese.
Yes.
So man like Maya is Jamaica hope, formula.
Yeah, man.
So we can own the thing them, distribute it, own it, hire, build up a country.
Yes, man, build up your country.
Maya, when I see this video, give thanks for them, man. Big up on yourself.
Good man, them, man.
I want to interview the family to help the Jamaica to understand how them do them business, how them a build up Jamaica. I want to interview them, man. But love to see it, right?
So you see the 1 building alone care of now.
The one house?
One house. At them your investment alive, man.
Yeah,
your
man.
Money sit down one place, your money no last. If you want to sell your anything, you want to do your money to
yes, man. But you know, see the liquor spot there, that liquor spot right there, sir.
You couldn't believe that part would have stay like that. I look at it. Now.
Yes, that liquor spot they run the whole Manchester. And people don't know.
They say when they come here, them sometimes down in February, then they die.
Yeah.
And man, if you see people down at the place, they are buying things. You don't think a Christian. Who want TV, who want DVD, who are component set, everything, who want saw, if you want tool, mechanic tool, everything they carry. I see upon sale. Lotion, dress, shoes, everything.
Hat,
everything.
Sweater,
everything.
Sleeping, you name it.
Everything where you want right now, man. Container them load and carry down, man. And you just put down your things, man. And you, for man here say you have things that sell, man come for. This is some breed of people, man, business people will come here come buy something. Can then get it cheap and how they would go there.
Okay. Mr. Way I say.
Yes.
Mr. Way I say. So it is buy and sell, do the thing.
You buy and sell, man. You get
container.
Yes, man. Those a can load a container. I like your yard, you know.
If we get some second-hand microwave, would that kill it? Right?
No more.
If I just microwave in the container, weed whacker.
Yes.
And spray thing for.
And then bicycle, man. You see, bicycle parts.
Yeah.
Bike parts.
All car parts.
All of them things.
Anything
all of them things there. As long as it's good, you can
work.
Sell and work. Man come from all boat, come by, man. You go and hear say you have it.
Even car engine.
Carrying, see you here.
Real business, real Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
In the mountains.
Yes.
It is possible.
But if you like or you leave here for a long time now and go here foreign, and if you come back here now, if you come talk about you going to them area, I kill you or kill yourself, man.
Buy and sell is better.
Buy and sell, man. You don't have to go now with enough seeing some money will come to you. Then go and see this something before them. And you know say a good something. Money will come in your hand.
Cause generator all in America, them people them dash them way enough.
Yes, man. Let me tell you, man. Bicycle.
Some old horn, fork and
everything where you know I use because them have something use here. If them have no hungry man, bill and hungry pan them, bill and hungry pan.
Knife, good knife,
everything.
pot.
Yes, man. Our man did live in here, but in there now, he might to deliver on the society, the sparks them there. In there. You see the pot he used to sell. Drive and sell pot. And the money that the man make around. And just go shop and one man a buy all 1,000.
If a man bring some old washing machine around here, so it done.
Sell same way, man. Sell same way, as long as it good.
How long it work?
And if he not in my work and he can fix.
Then people will fix it.
People fix you.
Our old flat, old TV still even people buy it.
Yes, man.
Even the old one them.
Yes, people buy it, man, as long as it can work, man. People buy them. Because some of them are like over foreign, the people just put them out like they have a little fart, they're not bad.
Then gone.
Come here, man, fix them, man.
Throw all that old couch in there, then buy the couch.
Yeah.
Chair.
Yeah, and wrap them over.
Come know, say chair on here, so you know, expensive, you know.
Yes, man.
A simple chair.
Yeah, man.
I forgot man if you look buy a chair.
Yeah.
So even the plastic chair, them would have buy it up.
Yeah, buy it up, man. Buy it up. You die in a place, man. If you decide to reside here, all you do, you set a good plan.
Yes.
And you look at a place. You look at a place, a solid place. You have that grill and then thing they come and you pop down your place, you know.
Yes.
So you look at place like how you see Maya set up in place, you know. When he puts something in there, so now
you can't get
you can't go in there. You can't go your walk go in there.
Where you go walk? Go in there, you can't.
And in some dog there, you can't go around nowhere around the back there. They no use to nobody, then tear you up like a lion. You see them fence it out with mesh. Round this building, you go right round. Dog can't come out. If you go over there, you near me up. And go who in the yard, no more can deal with them. I don't know common dog them, you know, and care them come here.
Terrible.
Yeah, man.
I mean, no say you have to have your dog them in Jamaica. Yeah, terrible dog.
You come here, man, you know what? You talk about you go in them bush. You set up a farm. You set up a... You just want to get up. This is like a piece of command, you know, with a big house at the part.
Yeah.
And you get a piece, a dwelling house place like that with that place there. You can do a lot of things on it. You can raise your hog, you can raise your cow, you can have your motor, you go get your grass, can control down, give them. You know? You don't have to be up and down with them like a hog and goat. You have a good motor like a little truck, a scrammy, small truck. You can carry your things. You go out there. So Calvin and live, man. Them man left out of the bush, them left out of them wilderness there.
And set up them things.
And set up themselves.
Where's the beauty and the tranquility in it? Look how it's beautiful.
But you know, you can go around. You can go around, right round and round. If you are sell, you can go right round and round because the way open. But like when me and you there, so now, if you come back as to invest money, you not make nothing here so. You understand me? We're part with the here so. Because the people them a look for the, you know, easier part of living.
Years so no money no there, so nobody not spend nothing here,
man,
so.
we come here come spend money, but they not come up here so come spend it. Like you saw my build at the place, you know. You can't see this, so I make back every cent. You hear me say? Because he might put things where people want. You understand?
Yeah. Well, people want locally.
Yes.
And not too far.
And it's cheaper than when they would have go, they go buy it.
Yeah.
Because it come as a second hand.
Yeah.
So it then get it cheaper.
Yeah.
You make more money.
Yeah. And them know.
Yeah.
The only way you make money here, you say, which is hard. If you go into the hill, go plant a yam, it's hard.
Hard, man.
If you raise your pig, them.
What you think of me why you say hard? You don't have no road. Like you down going there now, and you could have go in a bush and one cut one 10,000.
If you bring out the yam,
the yam and all them thing there.
If you bring it out hard.
Pay man to keep on the head. No road, not him donkey road.
So now you have payment, so it don't make no sense.
It don't make no sense.
So we have things if we set up a cable system.
You see, on that side there, man. You see that side, that mountain side where you look on there?
Yeah.
Go right up to Harwatch, Ballinor. Those are land where you can get a rent, lease. And if you want to farming, all you want, man, is drive your motor, go park at your roadside, at your farm side. Tell your man go work with, do the work. Or you can them go drop them and leave them when you're ready, you come back. For them, you understand? I saw them do it, Calvin them do it, man. See all the man are going with a white car there. I also them walking upon that they come up the mountain the way you see they level land on Abatam. You know
okay.
They will be.
Okay.
A whole of them man they up so. Also they walk. The little truck where you see pass, and they them a go. They walk.
So no matter.
They sell same place a roadside, they not be careful.
Oh, the hard part is round here so hard.
Round here so hard, man. Road.
Yeah, slip on your bring down here, you have a problem.
Mash up, I'll drop off of your head, mash up.
Then your knee hurt you.
Cut, you get all quality. That's why you see I don't build up, you know, because the people know the hardness of life what they go through when they were young. So them go to a little easier place. Because if you was here, you know, you would not consider that. Maybe you have to get up Ghana backward.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, you're right. I mean, yeah, so here so is beautiful, but it's tough.
You can live here. You so live here because it's quiet. So you feel live here because it's quiet.
After America, we love this.
Yes.
We not even care about much about the money.
No.
We just go and get up.
Yes.
Drink some mint tea and some fever grass tea. Plant with little garden, avocado. After America, we will eat callaloo, cabbage, and plantain. We would come here and farm just to eat. We wouldn't even care much about say we make money on it. We just want to rest. We just want to forget. Would I spend time a plant with pepper?
Yes.
With flowers?
Yes.
You see, this is retirement for you. This is...
You come here now right now.
Yeah.
You don't need buy peas. You can plant your own peas. You can go shop buy one tire peas or two or a quarter.
When you come back, it's all about when we go plant for cook. You know, we just would have love to just plant trees for the next generation. Pick ackee. We're not really in the money making thing. No.
You just want to turn over your money.
You just want to invite your friends them over and
when they come, you don't need fee. I would go buy things.
I would buy 2 cars. One for me and one for a taxi.
Yes, one all taxi.
And would I use the taxi for the youth them for go school.
Yes.
On this route.
Yes.
Cheaper for the kids them.
Yeah, man.
And would I just run it for the kids them?
Yes.
A little minivan.
Yes.
So them not for walk no more and charge them really less.
Yes.
For go school.
Yes. They make money.
It's just a little minivan.
They make money, man.
Would I get for them?
Yes.
Because at the end of the day, it's all about the little picking them. And you see that shop there, Mama shop?
Mm-hmm.
Now each computer in America, I'm going to start buy a computer now. I turn to a computer center.
Yes.
So them can come print, learn computer.
Yes,
I'm going to teach them computer from the shop.
Yes.
So that's what me I go do.
Yes.
For build up the thing. I'm going to turn that into a computer center.
Yeah.
So I'm going to just build a bathroom on it.
Yes.
So them are going to come from all over when them here say have computer center,
Yeah, man.
an internet cafe.
Yes.
You see me? That is what me I go do. And that for the community alone, when we seal it up and weld up the computer them in the wall, you come in there, you see a little shop there? That is gonna be the computer center for Norway. And so me come down for kind of check upon what improvement I can make.
Yes.
I'm a computer man, so that is my thing. You see. And my brother would have buy like a mini bus for the little kids. Them. I still here, so them I walk 8 miles.
When I'm worry to worry what you have to walk go to school morning, noon and night.
No man, and nobody have no little mini bus for them.
Nobody no prepare them no. Like so, taxi come from
just
that
taxi.
Taxi we
and
come
but the
and
taxi
who can afford it?
Yeah, and the taxi park. And the thing about it is that if I just gas you have to buy for the van, I'm not really for profit. I just so the picnic them can go school.
You can buy back your gas, man.
You see me? If you make it cheap, how much for a kid leave from here to school also?
Well, you see, from here now, like Harwatch.
Yeah.
If you take it from Goodinton, you pay $50 for Harwatch.
Yeah.
Like if you take somebody now from here to Mile Gully,
yeah,
$200, $250.
To Mile Gully.
To Mile Gully. If
yeah.
you go Mandeville, $700 for you go and come to Mandeville.
Enough money that for them, you know.
If you live.
And them I go school at Mandeville.
Yeah, who go school at Mandeville.
Boy.
And the fare is $700.
So even just a mini bus.
Yes.
Instead of a taxi, because taxi have a space. Even if you buy a nice mini bus, just for that route here, you don't make so much money.
You make money because you can go two sides. If you don't want to go side, you can go so and come round and come back this side.
Yeah.
And you can go so and come back round that side.
Mm-hmm.
You know. But how they run it now, you have to license the motor in your area.
In the route.
The road.
And sometimes it's
because
hard.
You can't run up and down in our next man road.
You can't license from here all the way to Mandeville.
Yeah man, you license.
You can.
Yeah man.
More money.
Yes, more money.
But that the road from Yasso to Mandeville, you know how much people that take it?
What? What?
Because no coaster or no bus no come from Yasso to Mandeville.
No. And so sometimes the people generally have to go so walk up so because
the taxi now comes fast.
Now come fast.
Wow.
So you find 2 go Mile Gully, 2 go Christiana, but they're not coming fast because Calvin has son run taxi in the yard where Blue Drum there.
Yeah.
He run taxi a morning time.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes fooling can't carry you.
Yes, that's the problem. So instead of having car, we should have like a minibuses.
You have a minibus.
For around here, this is a big business for around here, minibus. People happy. Them, you bring the kids them go to school. And just make a little computer center right there. When them come, them take taxi, come up there so if you use the computer.
All of them go and I don't have no one on my van. Can deliver gas and anything.
Yeah.
Feed and anything there.
The potential for here for the children is really good.
Anybody, you see right in here so? If you have a transport, because Concord they right here so Concord make money.
What's Concord?
Bill.
The what?
That's Barrow's son, Bill.
Okay.
Basil brother.
Okay.
Yeah, they make money, man. We morning drive out. See that type of bus there, you are one of them.
Yeah,
You make money.
Yeah.
Can't carry more 3 seats.
Yeah.
Can't carry more people. Them the type of motor you want.
Yeah. And you can find trusted drivers.
Yeah, man. Find trusted drivers. Same place in your district, you can find man who drive you.
Lovely place. It's just lovely. I have to come back for help for build it.
Yeah,
The first thing I go do, I go start the computer center.
All we want you do. Anything where you start off, you know, go big in it, you try
Go
it
small.
out first.
Take your time.
You understand? Because you see where you work for already, you have to be wise when you are spending.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean? Because where you what amount of money you can over there and make, you can't make it that fast.
Yeah.
So you have to conscious on the spending when you come here. No say if you are going to spend 100,000, you can't make it back.
Yeah.
You're not going to make it that fast, but you will make it back.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So when you're in an era now, you can plant your little food, you don't have to buy food.
Exactly.
You can plant your
Make a little chicken if you want
you
chicken.
You see plant and all them thing there, and you had the land for planting. Master then sitting there, people want to buy.
Planting.
Same place as you grow. Yes, man. You see my plant have a hole around a yard. A planting, you know. Planting, man. Yeah, rather them. A bad mind people turn down rather make rather than so, you know. Rather come from foreign with motor, come here, car and truck and van. I said that brother will live there, so. You know him.